We asked people here what they most wished Americans knew about Mexico, and here's what they answered. That we're more than just insecurity. That we have good doctors, engineers, and teachers. Not all Mexicans eat chile. That we're not all bad hombres. That Mexico doesn't have the orange filter like in the movies.
Movies and TV color everything people know about Mexico, and most of it is inaccurate or incomplete.
This trip is designed to get rid of that orange filter, to see Mexico the way it really is, to see Mexico the way God sees it.
Where is Jesus alive and moving in Mexico? Imagine how much we can learn from each other and what the Mexican church can teach us.
You're gonna feel like you're in Ensenada, the sights and sounds of Mexico. This is a virtual trip designed to stretch you and help you grow your worldview. It's an interactive way to get to know the Mexican church and support the Mexican church from afar. We hope you'll join us for a Missions from Home trip soon.